The new Black Wall Street. Do it right, build wealth, live life, economic empowerment, real tips, insight on the new Black Wall Street. It's on the new Black Wall Street. He's your host.
All right, my beautiful people, thanks so much for tuning in to the new Black Wall Street Money Talks. This is ERGJ, certified financial educator here, which is the founder of New Black Wall Street. We are going to be talking about what's going on with money this morning. That's right. We're talking about economics. That's going to be the cash flow of money. And we're talking about politics. That's going to be the rule of the law or the laws that regulate the money. These are two areas in our community that we must begin to talk about: economics and politics, money and the power. So that's what we do here on the show. We try to make sure that you're aware of what's going on in the economy, what's going on in the market today, so you can be aware and you can make the necessary course corrections and you can learn how to make your money work for you. So anyway, this episode is brought to you by True Detergent. That's right, True Detergent manufactured right here in the Atlanta area. We're doing free delivery to your doorstep. You give us a call at 678-851-2400. That's 678-851-2400. Black owned and manufactured, 101 ounce bottle, $15 a bottle. I mean, it's 15 cents per wash. Now, here's the deal. You're going to wash your clothes anyway. The question is, are you going to practice what you preach, which is circulate your dollar right back into your very own community and go ahead and make the switch to True? True Detergent, make the switch. Now, True Detergent also is expanding. They're looking to add new products and bring them to the market, and they need our help. They're going to look to bring free and clear. That means that's detergent that's dye-free and fragrance-free. They're looking to bring that to our community. They're also looking to bring fabric softener, but they need our help. And so they have a Kickstarter campaign that's going on right now. Let me go ahead and give you the stats on where they are with the Kickstarter campaign. They currently have 232 backers. They're at 14,000. I'm sorry, 233 backers. Somebody just gave. Yes, we're making progress. 233 backers. Currently have $14,000 that they've raised. They got 25 days left to go. Everybody put in the comments below 25. Got 25 days left to go to get to $100,000. And I just believe that we as a community are going to get behind our very own company. I just believe that we're going to make this happen. I just believe that you're going to share. You're going to tell everybody that you know, big money, small money, any type of money. And they're going to give to this company so they can bring products and services that we can use and that we can also benefit from and we can also profit from. Profit, yes, profit from. Profits are better than wages. So what I'm saying to you guys, I'm trying to help you understand is that if you help us, help them, then they will help us. When they expand and they grow, they're going to bring more opportunity. Everybody put in the comments below, opportunity. They're going to bring more opportunity to our community, more jobs to our community, higher wages to our community, and they are going to employ people, but it's up to us to practice what we preach, which is group economics, and we help this company expand. We help this company grow because it is our company. That's right. It's our detergent. And we have to, at some point, decide that we're going to do what's necessary. Matter of fact, I would say that you don't have only the opportunity to give. I would say with all of the talk that we've been saying for the past 100 some odd years, that we have the obligation to make the donation. We have the opportunity and we have the obligation to make the donation. What I see here is the opportunity that Black America has been waiting on to have their first Fortune 500 company that's Black owned. Have you ever heard of a Fortune 500 company that's Black owned? No. You see some Black people that run some of them, but you don't see anyone that owns them. We have the opportunity to be a part of history. This is not Black History Month. This is Black Wealth Month, and we make history with our money. We're going to march with our money. We're going to rally with our revenue, and we're going to protest with our profits. That is what I'm preaching to the people. That is what they call me, the Black Moses, and we are starting the urban economic revolution, and it starts with us. It starts with us. Now, say you're outside of say you're outside of Atlanta and you're saying, hey, I want to get my bottle of True. Well, I've also provided an online link for you to go through the Black Amazon, all Black everything. That's going to be for you to be able to order your bottle of True through WeBuyBlack.com. That is the new Black Amazon. So if you're unfamiliar, you can go to WeBuyBlack.com and put this in the comments below so you know where you can go. Instead of always saying, let's go with Amazon, what I'm telling you is go check out WeBuyBlack.com first. See, we're going to have to start conditioning ourselves to know that we do also bring the solutions. Why can't I? What's going on with my feed here? I can't. Oh, anyway, you guys might be typing, but I can't see it because it's too low. But anyway, and then you might be saying, well, hey, you want to go ahead and order your truth. But then you might be saying, well, how can I profit? So the way that you can profit is by coming to an investment session where you can learn how to become your own distributor. What I'm trying to help you to understand is that True is currently in Atlanta. We have about 30 distributors across the country, but we need more. Why? Because there's many more cities, many more states, many more countries, many more continents that's going to need distributors. And what you don't want to do, you don't want to pass on this opportunity and allow for a big corporation to come in and say, we're going to be the distributor. No, 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 no. We have the opportunity to distribute our own product. We have the opportunity to capture our own profits from our own sales, from our own marketing of our own product. Don't you see? Don't you understand? This is an opportunity of a lifetime that's going to change the Black economy. You also may be saying, hey, I want to learn about this stock market thing. Well, we got Dow 30 investment session as well. That's going to be where we're going to go through actually the big companies that we know and love and see how we can actually find investment opportunities. So that's going to be the Dow 30. That's a great place for you if you are a beginner. If you're just learning about the stock market, you want to learn how to earn, and you want to get familiar, where you want to join us on Wednesday for the Dow 30. We're going to go through each one of the components of the Dow 30, which is the 30 most significant stocks in America, companies that you know and companies you probably support, and we're going to find out which one of these companies might be investing opportunities for us. This is what we do in Club Millie. We are looking for investment opportunity. Everybody put in the comments below, opportunity. So these are going to be companies like Nike, Walmart, Apple, all these things, all these companies that we shop with, but they don't pay us. We're going to learn how to make sure we get our check. Yeah, that's right. We're going to make sure we learn how to get our check. And maybe you've heard about Club Millie. You're saying, well, hey, what is this Club Millie all about? I wish I could roll my screen up. I can't see no comments or nothing because it's too long. But anyway, you wish you could, you say, hey, what is this Club Millie all about? Well, we got a planned presentation on Wednesday and Thursday to show you what Club Millie is all about. So you can learn what Club Millie is all about, and you can make the necessary decision to join Club Millie if you feel that it's right for you. So that's what we have to do. We're going to be doing that and providing that as well. So you make sure that you get whatever's right for you that you sign up for, okay? 1 second here. Let me go ahead and share this thing, because we're talking about pre-market. So let's get into our recap. Let's get into what we need to know as it relates to the market today. Let's go ahead and get to work. So the markets yesterday were pretty flat. The Dow Jones was up 4 points. NASDAQ was up 23 points. Good day for the NASDAQ. The S&P 500 was flat. We see some significant stock, not much movement in the market at all yesterday. Oil was actually up 1.87% at $54. Oil has been hovering around $52, $53, $54. And I truly believe it's doing nothing but going up. Going up. Kraft was up yesterday because they reneged on their deal to buy Unilever. So the money that they were going to spend that brought their share price down, it then was reneged and it went back up. And we talked about this yesterday on how this was nothing but pump and dump, nothing but more corporate hoaxes that has caused people to lose money, but them to gain money because they are all doing insider trading. And you cannot tell me that this was not an inside ploy, because you can see it a mile away, but they continue to get away with it because they run our country. So Kraft was up 10% yesterday, while Unilever probably fell. I don't know. I got to look at that. Let's take a look as well. Gasoline was down 3%. Gold is now trading at $12.31 an ounce. Silver is trading at $17.91 an ounce as well. Those are things that you want to know if you are into precious metals. I'm not going to get into Forex and currencies, but let's take a look at these sectors that have been performing the best over the past 3 months. You got electronic technology at 13% over the past 3 months. Consumer durables at 12% over the past 3 months. Finance at 10% over the past 3 months. Now, here's the deal. Many of us, we wish we could get 10% for the year. This is 3 months that these particular sectors have been doing well. Well, let's take a look not only at the ones that have been performing well, let's take a look at the laggards of the economy. You got energy, minerals down below at 1% for the past 3 months. Retail trade at 5%. Commercial services at 6%. So even retail, in its laggard state, has been at 5% over the past 3 months. And most people are hoping they can get 5% for the year. Do you see now why I continue to say that once we learn how to make our money work harder for us than we work hard for our money, we will begin to see profits. And profits are better than wages. Profits make money while you sleep. Wages, you make money when you punch the clock. We must begin to change the way that we think about money and also teach our children differently about the way that they approach money. And then we can begin to see our economy, the black economy, rise from the doldrums because we have learned how to earn. Now let's take a look at what's going on in the market today. The things that we need to know as it relates to what's going on today. Yes, the S&P 500 futures are at 2,300 today. We got some retailers weighing in: Walmart, Macy's, Home Depot. They're all reporting their quarterly results before the bell today, so they actually are reporting now. Walmart, matter of fact, just beat estimate sales. I haven't looked at Macy's or Home Depot, but I will have that up. You can go to ERGJ Enterprise, that page there. Go ahead and like that page so you can keep up on all the news that's going on with stocks as much as I can. I try to update you as much as possible what's going on. Investors will be looking to see if the surge in U.S. consumer confidence has translated into sales growth. Macy's may also respond to rumors about a potential sale. Look at that, a potential sale of the iconic department store. Of course, if you're talking about a potential sale, whoever's going to be looking to buy Macy's, you're typically going to see a quick turnaround or a short increase in their stock price because it's going to set a valuation for Macy's at whatever the potential buyer may put in. So that could be an easy short-term play for those who understand that language. Center bank chatter, top U.S. officials from United States Federal Reserve expect to make public speeches on Tuesday, which could give investors more insight. Everybody put in the comments below insight into their expectations for the U.S. economy and interest rates. Comments from Fed officials Neil Kasharsky, Patrick Harker, and John Williams could have significant sway over market moves. Additionally, the head of the Bank of England, Mark Carney, is making a public appearance to discuss the economy and prices. See, we're watching television, we're watching drama and reality TV, but no, I'm telling you, once you start getting into money, you're going to start watching these people talk, and you're going to be figuring out ways that you can make your money work for you. This will become your reality TV because this is real. Economy, prices, politics, all of this stuff that's ruling over us that we take no interest in. And this is how the wealthy, they continue to get rich and rich. This is why the wealth gap is what it is, because they are paying attention to their money and we're paying attention to everyone else's money. At some point in time, you have to decide in your life that this is the time, this is the year, this is the moment that I'm going to stop watching everybody else get rich, and I'm going to find a way to get rich for myself, get rich for my family, get rich for my community. And if you have a problem with me talking about being rich, then I don't know if you are watching the right show today, because I'm going to keep talking about how we have been given the power to create wealth. We have been given the ability to do it, but many of us don't understand that we have that power. And secondly, we don't exercise our right. It is your right to be rich, but you have to exercise that right. You can't say that the wealth of the wicked is laid up for the just, and you're the just and you never go get the wealth. The wealth is laid up for you, but you have to exercise your right. Global market overview. The U.S. stock futures are pushing up following the long week ahead. The Dow Jones, S&P 500 currently sitting at their highest closing levels ever. This is a very, 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 very scary place when we start hearing that it's sitting at its highest levels ever. So I'm just sitting back waiting, because I know a pullback is coming. I know there's a course correction coming, and I just want to be there and ready and available to strike when it comes, because right now the market is greedy. When it's greedy, I'm fearful. I practice what Warren Buffett says. Be fearful when others are greedy, then greedy when others are fearful. When we hear that it's trading at its highest levels ever, that means that you're paying a premium for your positions. I'm not looking to pay premiums. I'm looking to buy stuff on sale. I'm looking to buy stuff when it's on clearance. That's just me. That's my philosophy. You can buy things when they're premium. I'll get them when they're on sale. All right? Buy low, sell high. That's how I operate. If stocks have another strong day, it'll be the 8th consecutive trading day when they've hit new records. Investor sentiment has been boosted by expectations that President Trump will introduce business-friendly policies and reduce corporate taxes. Keep saying the same thing over and over again. European markets are mixed in early trade, and most Asian markets ended with a positive day of results. There's some food fights. Shares in Kraft Heinz are set to take a tumble on Tuesday, the first U.S. trading session since Unilever turned down its $140 billion takeover bid. Meanwhile, shares in Popeyes, PLKI. Lewis could pop at the opening following reports that Burger King's parent company, Restaurant Brands, is in discussions to buy the chain. So again, the company that's being acquired or potentially acquired is going to see a boost in the share prices. The company that is actually spending the money to buy the company may see a reduction in their share prices. That's how it works. You're spending money and you're giving money. That's kind of how that works. HSBC, which is the shares in the HSBC, are getting crushed in London, trading after the UK bank reported an unexpected net loss of $4.2 billion in the fourth quarter of 2016. The biggest single hit to its battered bottom line came from a $2.4 billion write-down on the value of its private banking businesses in Europe. The global banking giant has spent years cleaning up its private banking operations, notably in Switzerland. The business came under scrutiny over allegations that it catered to weapons dealers, tax evaders, and dictators. Now, let's just keep it real, guys. This is not the only bank that caters to weapons dealers, tax evaders, and dictators. Of course, they always tell you if you want to avoid taxes or evade taxes, you take your money offshore. And this is just another offshore bank that has catered to weapons dealers, tax evaders, and dictators. But let's not be naive and act like all banks don't cater to weapons dealers, tax evaders, and dictators. This particular bank just happened to get caught by probably by an organization that's outside of the government, and then they have to pay. They have to take the hit. They have to take the hit for the rest of the group because the rest of the group operates the same way. Let's not be naive and think that the banks are on our side. They all cater to weapons dealers, tax evaders, and dictators because they're nothing but some scoundrels trying to get their money, and they're going to do it no matter whatever the cost. They're going to do whatever it takes for them to continue to profit off the backs of the people. So again, today we have the Walmart, Macy's, and Home Depot earnings. I'm feeling good about Home Depot. That's a position of mine. We'll see what that does. It's probably already out. I got to go look at that when I finish this show. So I want to thank you so much. I don't know why I can't see the comments. That's pissing me off. Facebook, maybe I put too much stuff in my description. But anyway, that's what you need to know as it relates to the news today. That is what you need to know. And we're gonna do. This show was supposed to be on my other channel, but I couldn't figure out a way to how to go live. That's okay. You guys will still get it. We're gonna still go ahead and make sure we do this black thing, this black market, this black Wall Street thing, and we learn what's going on in Wall Street, and we become a force in Wall Street. That is why I do this, because I want us to represent and become a force in Wall Street. So again, today's episode is brought to you by True Detergent. That's right, True Detergent, manufactured right here in the Atlanta area, black owned and manufactured, $15 a bottle for a 100-ounce bottle. We are doing free delivery in Atlanta, and we are also expanding. We're coming to Albany, Georgia on Wednesday. So you want to get your pre-orders. If you're in Albany, we're going to do free delivery to your doorstep. We are expanding to Augusta, Georgia, March 4th. So you want to get your pre-orders in Augusta, and we're going to bring this thing to delivery to your doorstep. We are going to make some money, and we are going to expand across the country and across the globe. True Detergent. The question is, guys, here's the deal. You're going to wash your clothes anyway. Question is, are you going to practice what you preach and redistribute, recirculate your dollar right back into your very own community and go ahead and make the switch? True Detergent, make the switch. And I also need you to go ahead and make a donation. 50% of all of my profits go into donating back into True. I want to see us bring our free and clear detergent. I want to see us bring our fabric softener. I want to see us take Tide out. My goal is to take Tide out. We don't come here to compete. We come here to dominate, and what we're saying is we need your help to dominate. We need your help to expand. We need your help to bring more jobs to our community. We need your help to help bring the dope dealers to take them from selling dope to selling detergent, to get our girls out of the strip club and into an investment club. We need your help. Go ahead and make your decision to donate. Every other community, they do it. You look at any other campaign on Kickstarter, you'll see it takes them 5 days to raise $100,000. But it's going to take us a little bit of time because we don't understand the power of getting behind a company that is for us and that's by us, that hasn't sold out. Everybody put it in the comments below. They have not sold out. They have actually sold in. They have not sold out. They have sold in. Oh. They have sold in. You want to get behind a company like this. I'm telling you guys, and I'm telling you, if you don't believe me, just watch me. This company is going to be the catalyst of the urban economic revolution. You can either get on the train or you can watch the train pass you by. Harriet Tubman said this: I could have freed more slaves if they only knew that they were slaves. And what I'm saying to you is we can free more people economically if they only know that they got a problem economically. Get behind a company that has the capacity, that has the growth, that has the expansion, that has a product that everybody can use, and help them be great. And I can promise you this, guys, if you help them be great, they'll help us be great. Go and make your order online as well. You can do that. WeBuyBlack.com, another black owned company that is the new black Amazon. We can get away from Amazon and get to our own, where we own and control the black Amazon, WeBuyBlack.com. Go ahead and click that link, and you go ahead and get you some true if you happen to be out of our area of delivery. And then also you may be saying, hey, how can I profit? How can I learn how to profit? Well, we got the true investment session coming up as well. I've opened up 5 more slots. So you can't say you didn't have the opportunity. You can say you passed on the opportunity, but you can't say you didn't have the opportunity. And then we have 2 things, the Dow investment session that's coming up on Wednesday. And maybe you want to learn how you too can walk away from the 90% of the broke, busted, and disgusted of our community and get with the 10% who are looking for solutions, who are learning how to make their money work for us, who have already become members of Club Millie. You have that opportunity as well, and you can walk right along with us into prosperity, into the promised land, out of debt, letting go of the things of the past and walking into the things of the new. And I say this, that if you want to have the things of your dreams, you must become the person of your dreams to have the things of your dreams. Let me repeat that again. You must become the person of your dreams in order to have the things of your dreams. What is ERGJ? Your certified financial educator, founder of the New Black Wall Street, coming at you today with money and the power. That's right. Economics and politics, the 2 areas they don't want us to talk about, we're going to talk more about, because if you talk about it, you can bring about it. We need to talk more about money, more about politics. We need to be in these areas making a difference. Remember this, guys, that it takes a village, but it starts with us. It's almost time for the bell at 9:30. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's build as we climb together. Have a good day.
Thanks you for joining the show. We gave a lot of great tips, but it's time to go. Take the knowledge we shared, hope you use it and grow. We'll see you all there at the next episode of The New Black Wall Street. The New Black Wall Street.